Okay, this is the first time I met SRK and
how Khan Saab told him कि घर
yeah.
बड़ा बनाने
Yeah.
वाला वो पूरा
Yeah.
किस्सा, and I'm like that.
Thanks
is so
to SRK
heartwarming.
so that we have a house. Vijay and I have known each other since many years. I'll tell you a fact that Vijay's first film, I think Monsoon Shootout, I had auditioned with him.
This is one mad bunch of what
This is this is Farah's lunch.
the Farah Khan
The Farah, where she cooks like her the lip cooks the best meal ever. No, honestly, I really again want to work with Prateek. Yeah, he's such a
darling.
good actor, and that guy doesn't really do anything, but there's so much he's doing. So imagine the internal craft that he's always working. We were in the mandap and we were like, we told the Pandit ji also, जल्दी जल्दी करना, 2-3 घंटे की शादी नहीं चाहिए, 45 मिनट में प्लीज खत्म कर देना. So I'll tell you what happened.
Hi guys, this is Ankita Bhala. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble, and today Patralekha is going to tell me. We went to Patralekha's Instagram, we searched some gems, and we decided that we'll show her a couple of pictures and ask her what's the memory behind them. I will save the best for the last, but I'll start with something. I was like, oh my god, is this the same
okay,
girl?
now I'm like
Yeah,
nervous.
so you have to show it to the camera and tell us a
Yeah.
cute little memory, anecdote, anything about it.
Attached to it. Oh my god. Okay, this is the first time I met SRK and I was blown away by his charm, by the aura, the enigma that surrounds him. He's everything that you have heard of. He's kind, he's so well spoken, he's so respectful. I mean, I was smitten meeting him. So this is one of my fondest memory of meeting a superstar.
I think both husband and wife are in love with the same guy,
Yeah,
na?
but listen, you must have met, you know who he is, how he is.
The reason I'm bringing it is because I think Raj is one of the very few people who's
Yeah.
very vocal about his love for SRK.
He is crazy about it.
And
SRK.
and I think he also gave indirectly very nice quote when he spoke कि how Khan Saab told him कि घर
Yeah.
बड़ा बनाने
Yeah.
वाला वो पूरा
Yeah.
किस्सा, and I'm like that.
Thanks
is so
to SRK
heartwarming.
so that we have a house.
Really? Raj is like, sir, अभी मन्नत तो नहीं बनेगा, but sir is like, बड़ा सोचो कि तो बनेगा ना. Lovely. Okay, next one.
Oh, this is with my co-actor, Nanu Ki Jano. The other day only I was telling somebody, I've got such fond memories of working with him. And he's such a chilled out, cool person. And there's a fact that I want to tell you, he's a really good artist. He paints really well.
I think Abhay is one of the, I don't know, I don't like the term, but yeah, very underrated.
Very, yeah. But also I feel like that's who he is.
Yeah, he's. I
Yeah.
mean, actually doesn't care.
And he doesn't
much.
care, and I feel like he'll only work in his terms
Yeah.
and what he likes.
And I think which is
Yeah.
good because to have the privilege to be working on
Correct.
your terms is
Terms
beautiful.
is a very big thing. But also he's a very chilled out person.
Okay, next
Yeah.
one is, what a fantastic frame this is.
Yes. So this is from I See It One for Success, and Dia is one of the sweetest, again kindest soul that you will meet. We have had so many conversations about so many things under the sun, and I just feel like she's been here since so long, and she's really the OG girl. I'm just smitten by how beautiful she is and the grace that she carries. Vijay and I have known each other since many years. I'll tell you a fact that Vijay's first film, I think Monsoon Shootout, I had auditioned with him. Of course, I didn't end up getting the part, but I thought that audition went really well. And since then, I know Vijay, and I'm so happy and so proud of the fact that he's doing so well in life, and I could see how hard he's worked. For
I
it.
think yes, his story's also been, I would like say, I always
Yeah.
would tell him,
Yeah.
it never came easy.
it never came easy, but he's so talented and so gifted.
And I'm happy when you see people around you now that it's finally happening.
It gives hope, no?
It gives hope. I mean, I can never ever forget, and I'm saying this on camera again, and Raj knows this. My first interview with him was a print interview because at that time, I'm talking almost like a decade back, he was not that big to give a video interview.
Yeah.
From then to now,
Yeah.
to take his interviews from print to video to now literally chasing him for time, let me tell you, it gives immense happiness to us also to see somebody who was not getting a chance to speak and somebody who the world wants to hear. I think it's a story everyone
That's
should be
amazing.
cherishing.
I'm getting goosebumps.
Yes, and I remember it was Novotel, and this was right after Shahid.
After Shahid.
Oh yes, I remember. It was one of the best conversations. That was the first time we spoke at length about theatre. And he called me from that lot and he's like, by any chance are you a theatre person? I'm like, no sir. He's like, then how come you're asking me these questions? I'm like, because I was reading about your work. And he's like, I'll always remember. Because when nobody asks you questions and somebody gets up and does, you always remember. Until date, he meets with so much love. I think for me, that is the mark of, I would say, a star. Nothing else.
Yeah.
That's how I value it stardom for him.
Yeah. Thank you.
This is one mad bunch of
This is this is Farah's lunch.
the Farah Khan's lunch.
Farah, where she cooks like her Dilip cooks the best meal ever. This was before the pandemic actually.
Yeah, this Lokhand wala tandoori
Lokhandwala.
chicken.
She calls it
Lokhand wala world famous tandoori chicken.
roast chicken.
Roast chicken, sorry.
And it is really the most delicious roast chicken on earth.
Huh.
Yeah.
But how are these lunches? I always wonder. She brings the most unexpected group. Like
Seriously?
Ritik is doing.
There's from a Ritik to a Sania Mirza to a
I mean, it's such a.
Yeah,
it's not an
just
expected mix.
not at all. Not at all. But only Farah can pull this.
Is there an actor you were dying to work with?
An actor. No, honestly, I really again want to work with Prateek. Yeah, he's such a
Darling.
good actor, and you know because he's so good that he raises the bar.
And he makes you
Yeah.
like, I want
Yeah.
to do it.
When I watched him in Khule, I watched Day Before Night, the final cut. I was so blown by his performance. Yeah, and that guy doesn't really do anything, but there's so much he's doing. So imagine the internal craft that he's always working.
I
Yeah.
love that man. He knows that. I
Yeah.
have told him enough times. I found it the most exciting. Like, this is one
I am
bunch.
so excited for this project. It's a Rajan DK project. Rahi's directed it. It's got me and Kunal in it. I really hope
It's called
Gulkanda Tales.
Gulkanda
Yeah.
Tales.
I hope it sees light of the day because there's some chatter about it
Yep.
that it may not come. But I swear by it, if it comes, it's going to be such a
It's a quintessential Rajan DK cinema.
yeah, and it's something that you've never thought can be. So yeah, I am really praying and hoping that it does come.
And my last picture for me is just not a picture. I think it changed a lot when I saw it because for me it's conversation starter. For me it was a norm breaker, and for me it was all things love. I think I don't have anything else to say for this one. This is like
So I'll tell you what happened. We went the mandap and we were like, we told the Pandit ji also jaldi karna. 2-3 घंटे की शादी नहीं चाहिए, 45 मिनट में प्लीज खत्म कर देना, ठीक है? And we were chilling, we were having fun, and then he put the sindoor on me, and then he's like, तुम भी लगाओ, and I'm like, what? He's like, हाँ लगाओ. It was so momentary. I don't think so. Even he decided this and came to the mandap. These things can't be decided.
I don't think this is this is all emotion.
It's all. I was so overwhelmed. I'm like, dude, I felt the luckiest girl on earth that day.
And for me, it was such a like when in a generation where we struggle to have relationships, let alone have these kind of relationships. It's heartwarming to see men actually take taking care of the women in their life or the
Yeah.
partners, vice versa, I would say,
Yeah.
women to the men, that we'll do this together.
Yeah.
We're in this together. It's
Yeah.
not a one-sided thing.
Yeah.
But thank you. I
But
think I had
thank
such a
you.
heartwarming conversation.
Yeah.
मैं ये सोच के नहीं आई थी सवाल आपके लिए.
Yeah.
मुझे लगा था कि हम एक करेंगे मस्ती भरा सा कुछ एकदम, and I'm like, अरे वाह, this is so much fun and I'm so glad I could do this
Thank
with you.
you. I'm so happy that we did it, and your questions were really very nice. Yeah.
No, but thank you, and I hope
Yeah.
that when we sit next time, we
Yeah.
can. I always say this, like I would want to sit with Mia Bibi
Yeah.
and dissect films.
100%.
मतलब
That-
मेरे एक इंसान मुझे recommendations देगा and the other person will tell me holiday recommendations.
Holiday.
So I am booking
Done.
my deal
Done.
with you.
Yes.
Too. But thank you for doing this. Wishing
Thank
you all
you.
the success,
Thank
and I
you so
hope your
much.
work reaches. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you
and
so
thank
much.
You.
Thank you. Hi, this is Patrulekha, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.